gosh, I'm going to miss all you guys so much. And I just want to leave you with this beautiful quote by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and it's just simply that the purpose of life is for the expansion of happiness. And, you know, that's all about the power of fun. And make sure that you infuse fun in absolutely everything you do. You know, what I always say is that if it's not fun, I don't want to play. And seriously, you know, who do you want to hang out with? You know, I want to hang out with the guy that's really depressed and, you know, not happy and is a really major drag. No, you want to hang out with those people that are fun, that are light, that are loving, that are just joyful and filled with joy, because that's magnetic. And that, you know, that fun radiates all over the place for everybody. And those are the kind of people that everybody wants to hang with. So fill your life with that. Fill your life with so much fun. Make sure that your day always has joyful activity in it. You know, really, one of my good friends, you know, what they just said to me today was, you know what? I never do anything I don't love. And I just thought that was so rock'em sock'em, because I said, me too. Because again, if it's not fun, why the heck will we be doing it? So make sure that you fill your life with tons and tons of fun. And then come and play with us, because the Passion Test community, it's all about inspiring transformation through love and having tons of fun, so that we can just like play together and radiate together, and that joy will spill out all over the environment. So looking forward to being with each and every one of you again and again and again in joyful, loving fun. Yay!